Hello, you join me here at Edinburgh Waverley Station, platform 19. Just arriving there on platform 1 is a ScotRail service 17434 with a service from Glenrothes to Thornton to Tweedbank. Also here we have 68017 ScotRail Class 68, which is treading some Mark IIs, which will be on its way to Arbroath in about 10 minutes time. Good to see that leave. Arriving into the station of a Transpennine Express is 802, which will have come in from Liverpool Line Street. Distance there. Another passing is the Tweedbank 170, which is 17434. See, long view of the station. Okay, now we have a ScotRail Class 385. It's 35039, I think. Yep, 039. Just there is a LNER service, which is a 225, so obviously following us up the, I think it's the 1700 service to London King's Cross. 82220 is now departing, leading the 1700 London King's Cross LNER service.
The next train is to depart from platform 9 for leaving 16:32 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston, calling at
Yes, Avanti West Coast services heading towards London Euston are delayed today due to flooding in the Oxenholme area, which happened yesterday. At the back here is 91105. Now we have a clear view of the Transpennine Express service, which is coming from Liverpool Lime Street. Indeed, this is 802204. Now arriving on platform 20 with a ScotRail Class 385. 385-029. And 385-046 at the back of this one. Passing is the 1707 cross country service to Bristol Temple Meads. We should also have another cross country service, which is going from Truro to Glasgow Central. This is 221132. One of the 4-car 221s. See if you can see the other one arriving. Arriving on the platform is the delayed 1705 cross country service from Truro to Glasgow Central. This is definitely one of their 5-car units. It's 221135. She's just pulled in now, bound for Glasgow Central. Next of that will be Motherwell. So we're going to head down to the other end of the platform now and see the westbound departures. Now departing is the delayed 1711 ScotRail service for Glenrothes to Thornton, which is with the Class 68 hold Mark II set. I'm surprised they caught that. Because they only do it at peak hours. The local services go to Glen Rothes right along the Fife Circle. I'm not the most knowledgeable person about Scottish railways, but I have done my research a little bit. Let's off the other end of the platform, shall we? Now arriving is the 1718 ScotRail service, which has come from Glasgow Central. Is it Glasgow Central? No, it's Glasgow Queen Street, isn't it? Yeah. It's just coming down that. It's very good. Fighting now is the 1719 ScotRail service to Alloa and Dunblane. Just 345019 at the front. At the back is 385031. I think it was that set that we saw coming from, I think it was from the east. I can see a class 334 coming in now. Yes, this will be coming in from either Helensburgh Central or Milngavie. And it is 334 013 or 033 even.
Platform 140, 1723 service to
And on the back of this is 334 014. Now arriving on platform 19, we have 17410 with a ScotRail service to Tweedbank.
Platform 10 for the 1726 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central via Shorts. Calling at Haymarket, Slateford, Kingsnow, Wester Hailes, Cuddy Hill.
Departing is another 334. This one is definitely going to Helensburgh Central. Oh, I think it's 034 and the other set departing out again. It's quite a short time, wasn't it? Not even 2 minutes. Oh, it was 334.87. So I must be mistaken. I'm not sure if that was the actual set that came in a couple of minutes ago. So off that goes to Helensburgh Central.
Platform 19 will be the 1730.
We have another 68, which is the forming the 1720 service to Carden Den. Getting really lucky on the 68s today. 68006. This one's actually in the ScotRail livery. Zuma can't arrive in until that's left. Now arriving is our Zuma. It's going to take us all the way back down to London King's Cross. It is 800-103. It's quite a busy train. I assume lots of people are going to get off at here though. Yes, thank you very much for joining me on this video today. Yes.